All right, guys, so we just put our move out notice. We are moving to California next month. So stressful. We already started packing like way early, and this is that we didn't even know that we were going to be able to move. But hey, we're all about manifestation in this household, and this is what we had to do to keep us going, to keep believing that we were going to be able to move to California. But yeah, we finally gave notice to our apartment and they gave us our copy. So it is official, like a referee blowing a whistle. So I'm excited. Let's go with those people. Alright guys, so there is to believe that a man was beating up his wife last night, and it's now become kind of like a hostage thing. And there's like SWAT snipers and it all, like, it's pretty scary and it's so eerie. Hey guys, so they're not letting anyone out or in. So if you do go out, you can't come back in. So he's like, the cop was like, just stay indoors. And but I just heard like a biggest like boom, and one of the residents said that it was like a smoke bomb. And then you can hear the police saying to him like, you were surrounded, this and that. So it's getting pretty serious.
Can that like spread? Like without.
So this is allegedly, so this is what all the residents are talking about. So it happened like kind of like around midnight, where they one of the residents heard like a banging in an apartment, and then this morning there was cops and everything. So what residents are saying is that there kind of is like a domestic violence situation where the husband is kind of like barricading himself in the apartment. They don't know the current situation with the mom, the kids. So that's what they've been trying to get in contact, but there's been no contact from what I see. So they've been on the speaker trying to get him out. So I don't know. I don't know. I have a bad feeling that it's just not going to end well, and I hope it does. Hey guys, so what happened was they finally got into the apartment and no one was home. So no one was home at all this whole time that they've been out there. There was no one inside the apartment. So I'm not sure if they made contact with the people that live there, but I just hope that everyone is okay and safe, because a lot of people were speculating that they had already been like deceased. So I don't know, there wasn't any evidence of like foul play in the apartment. So I'm just grateful that no one was in there, but I hope that they are okay as well. Also, you guys, this is just another thing that is so stressful that me and Richard are supposed to be moving next Monday, and it is pouring rain. So I'm telling you, when you want to do something, when you're chasing a dream, there is so many obstacles that come, you know, and the closer that it gets to where you want to get, the obstacles become even stronger. So we're just a little stressed out, but we're still gonna go, rain or shine. We're gonna push through, and hopefully, I don't know, hopefully the big man up there gives us a little bone and just dries up, you know, that time that we go. So fingers crossed, everything is gonna be okay. But yeah, it's already looking like it's gonna be stressful. So I'm not happy about that.
Wow, these cups feel good. Like they feel heavy, like a good quality.
Is this what he does every day?
Oh my
What? This is not true.
This is so stressful.
Tell him you love him. Go give him a kiss.
When I see this, I
Kiss
get
her, I love you.
anxiety.
What's your bond? Going out of the force. Yeah.
Got my own strap, sir.
Pull it.
No, but be careful. It's still plastic.
Oh. Good thing is go.
How much room do you have compared to the, like right up to the zipper?
Yeah, it is.
Is it pretty close?
No.
So we try it like this?
So you're this big.
Here, try this one. This way. Okay.
We barely have any.
Yeah, no, the other one.
Yeah. Remember when it gets small, it gets small. Yeah, that's really cool. Alright.
So how should we do this? How did we do it last time? We snuck down to the
Yeah,
bar?
we just kept like pulling.
Well, that way.
So yeah, natural state, this is how it's going to be. But we just did the bed, we cleaned the skating boards, or Richard calls it baseboards. We did a few like cleaning things, but we're going to take a break now, get some lunch, drop off the vacuum. But yeah, I'm not looking forward to this move, let me tell you. My back is already killing me, so yeah. Well, we used to take Ozzy there, across the street. I would go in there, but they know us. Yeah, and this is where we used to park our car, right here. Thankfully, nothing ever happened. You want to walk that way? Yeah. And the man that loved Ozzy used to live right there. He used to have the gun. So in theory, he was kind of like the protector of this place.
This also looks small.
Guys, this is our caricatures. I swear, we look so suspicious. Like, why do I look like I'm up to absolutely no good? I swear, my cheeks are not that high.
No, we're not. That's so funny.
I like it though. It's alright. The lights off? Oh my god, the lights are off.
Guess you could put that stuff there. Oh, that's whole lot. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. This is crazy, babies. We're going. We're going to California. Alright, I'm gonna take this.
And I'm gonna pull the car up just a little bit so the strip is wrong. I'll grab the rest of it.
We'll come back in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
We're in business here, baby. Can you see as well?
Yeah.
I want you to also be able to see.
Yeah, I can see.
Heavenly Father, we're grateful that we have maybe put these. Let's see. What do you see? Something like that.
You got enough space? Yeah, you have enough space. Okay, go. Lay down.
All right.
Alrighty,
Here we go.
let's go.
Seatbelts on, everyone.
Yep.
Turn left, then take
have to go that
Yeah,
backwards.
yeah, yeah.
Make that U-turn. All the keys, everything we left.
Everything.
And you did the kind of like a final sweep.
No, I did. Seriously. So long, Santi.
You can see it.
You've got it, my love. I see you drive, like, we drove literally on the freeway. You're pretty good at it.
I see the way you drive.
Got a heavy foot.
Sign. Turn right onto South Gillespie Street.
I told him good work is already fine. Messed it with my business, bro.
Like a crab that's
Keep looking back.
from a shell. I crawl out uncomfortably, like a daughter who only wishes well.
Well, we've made it. Ozzy!
Jeez, no one.
I know. I love the trees. Look at him. You like it?
I guess you can open it too.
I'm trying to master
The strength.
the strength to do it. Oh, this is crazy. What do you
Oh,
want?
look at the bathroom.
Is it nice?
Very nice.
So stressful. A little bit, just a little bit, okay?
A little
Just a
cooperation.
little bit. I'll leave my my phone.
But you're caught in